Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the differentiation of implicit function. In this video we will learn about the differentiation of the implicit function, steps for the differentiation for the implicit function. Please watch this video till the end, and if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it. That will motivate me for making such more videos. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here today's topic is derivative of implicit function. Here I have taken a question: find the derivative dy by dx when this equation is given, and the implicit differentiation differentiation helps us to find the derivative of a function without expressing this y in terms of x. We can find out dy by dx without expressing this y in terms of x by using the concept of the implicit differentiation. Let's solve this problem without expressing this y in terms of x, and that is called as the implicit differentiation. Here the equation is, here an equation is given: x square plus 5xy plus y cube is equals to 0. An equation is given. Let's calculate dy over dx without expressing this y in terms of x. We can easily calculate without expressing y in terms of the x by using the implicit differentiation method. And the method is, first step is the very first step is, let's differentiate this equation with respect to x. Here we are going to calculate the different derivative with respect to x. So taking or differentiating this equation with respect to x on the both side. Let's doing the differentiation with respect to x on the both side of this equation. And after taking the derivative with respect to x on the both side of the equation, our expression will be dy over d over dx. This is derivative with respect to x of the function. Left hand side is here x square plus 5xy plus y cube is equals to, we have to do the same process, the derivative with respect to x of the number 0. Here in this step we just take the derivative with respect to x on the both side of this equation. Let's simplify this. Here in this step, this form looks like the derivative of the sum of the terms, and as we already studied about the derivative of the sum of the function, that is the sum rule of the derivative. We can use the here the sum rule of the derivative. According to the sum rule, we can distribute this differentiation machine d by dx over the addition, and let's distribute this over the each terms of the this polynomial. Let's distribute it. This can be written as dx square with respect to x plus derivative of 5xy with respect to x plus derivative of y cube with respect to x. Here we just distribute this d over dx in each the terms of this polynomial is equals to here, and the derivative of the constant number, here the 0 is constant, so the derivative of the constant is always 0. Please memorize that the derivative of the constant is always 0. Or here we can use the formula. Here is the form. This term is in the form of, let me write the formula here: derivative of x raised to the power of n with respect to the same x is always equals to n times x raised to the power n minus 1. Please memorize this very important formula on the derivative. Derivative of x raised to the power of n with respect to x is n times x raised to the power of n minus 1. It is valid for all the n belongs in the set of the rational number. Please memorize this formula. So here is the same format. We can use this concept. Here the n is 2. So to 2 times x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 gives just 1. Plus here we can use the coefficient rule. According to the coefficient rule, this coefficient 5 can be taken in the front. So 5 d xy with respect to x. Here we just take the coefficient rule plus, and the d derivative of y cube with respect to x can be simplified. It can by using the chain rule. We can write here derivative of y cube with respect to y. Here we do extra dy. So for balancing we have to multiply by the same factor dy over this dx is equals to 0. Here in this step we just use the chain rule. Here we just divide and multiply by the same factor dy. So dy will be cancelled out, and this step will be same as the previous step. Here we use somewhere the this formula, somewhere the coefficient rule, and somewhere the chain rule. This is the chain rule. Or this can be further simplified as, let's simplify this equation. This is just 2x plus 5 times here the two variables x and y are multiplied together, so we can use the product rule. According to the product rule, let me write the product rule here. According to the product rule, first of all, taking a function, let's take y and do the derivative of x, and we have to do the plus. Here we leave y. Now turn off x. Let's leave x times the derivative of the remaining y, derivative of y with respect to x. Here we just use the product rule plus this plus. Here is the form like this form, so we can here use that concept. Here the power is 3 times y raised to the power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 gives 2. 3y square. This is just 3y square times the dy over dx. This is equals to 0. Here we use the product rule of the derivative. According to the product rule, we have to first take one variable. Here the y is taken first and derivative of the remaining plus, and then turn of the other variable x times derivative of the remaining, or is equals to, this is 2x plus 5 times, here the y derivative of a function with respect to the same function is always 1. This is just 1 plus x times dy over dx plus 3y square times dy over dx is equals to 0. Or this can be further simplified as, let's distribute this 5 among these two terms. 2x plus 5y plus 5x dy over dx plus this is 3y square dy over dx is equals to here 0. Let's take our target is to calculate dy over dx. So here let's take dy over dx as a common from these two terms. This can be further simplified as 2x plus 5y. Let's take dy over dx is a common. Dy over dx is a common, and the remaining terms will be 5x plus 3y square is equals to 0. Let's rearrange the terms. Our target is to find the dy over dx. Here this is 5x plus 3y square, and these two terms, let's transpose these two terms on the right hand side. Then negative 2x minus negative, just transposing these two terms on the right hand side. Our target is to find the dy over dx. So the value of the dy over dx is equals to here -2x. Let's take the negative as a common. 2x plus 5y all over this term. This term will be transposes on the right hand side and becomes the divisor. Here 5x plus 3y square. Here we finally obtain the value of the dy over dx. This is the final result for the derivative of the function with respect to x. Here we finally obtain by using the implicit differentiation. This process is called as the implicit differentiation because here we just calculate the derivative of the function uh, without expressing this y in terms of x. Here we directly do the derivative on the both side, and finally we achieve here the result of dy over dx. This is the whole process for the implicit differentiation. Please memorize these steps, how to calculate the implicit differentiations and the very basic formula of the derivative. Please memorize that formula. In our next video, we will discuss more about the derivative of the special type of the functions. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.